How to record audio in Google AI Studio. Start by opening any browser on your device. Search for Google AI Studio. Open the first link. Click on the plus icon at the right side of the text box. Select Record Audio. Click on Start Recording. Allow the permission for microphone. Then start recording. After you're done, click on Stop Recording. You can click on Play to listen to the audio. If you don't like it, click on Re-record to record the audio again. After you're done, click on Add to Prompt. Enter any further details if you like. After you're done, click Run. And that's it.